Everyone, happy Saturday. I hope that you guys are all well. I'm doing fine. I wanted to do something different for you today. So today I'm bringing you a meditation video, really simple, really short. For those of you who are joining and you don't know who I am, my name is T. I'm personal trainer and founder at Fitness to a T. So feel free to check out the website. I've put the link above the video. So I've been teaching meditation, guided meditation for the last year. And on my travels at sea, I was teaching meditation nearly every day. My meditation classes were usually 30 to 45 minutes long. So the reason why I decided to do this meditation video today is because there's so many people who are stressed, too busy, too tired, burning out. Either you're a busy mom, you might be a student, you might have a hectic job. There's so many things that are going on nowadays, and it's really important to just take time out of your day to just unwind and relax, even if you only have 2 or 3 minutes, because that will really help with your mental and emotional health as well. Because after all, fitness is not just about the physical, it's also about the mental and the emotional. They all work together. So you're going to be doing the meditation along with me. So wherever you are, remember you can always replay this video and use it. And over time, you'll start to know how to do it on your own. So you can either be sitting, so in a seated, comfortable position, or you can do it lying down. So lying down is ideal if you can. And what we're going to start off by doing is we're just going to relax the neck. So what I want you to do is just turn your head out to the side. Keep your tummy nice and tight as well. So turning your head out to the side, exhaling as you turn through the mouth, inhaling through the nose as you take your head through the middle. And we're just going to repeat that again. Then we're going to go into the shoulders. So you're just bringing your shoulders, bring them up and down, just relaxing those shoulders, just letting all that stress or tension melt away. So you're inhaling through the nose as you lift up your shoulders. You're exhaling through the mouth as you bring your shoulders down, squeezing the shoulder blades. Going for one more time, and then we're going to go forward. So you're bringing the shoulders forward, really trying to relax the body, relax the mind. I'm so used to doing this now. So for me, I can meditate in the middle of traffic, so to speak. So now what I'd like you to do, if you're lying down, which is ideal, is to lie down, close your eyes. I'm going to keep my eyes open through some of the meditation. It's going to be very short, just a little taster of what you can do during your busy day. And if you're lying down, I'd like you to just be in a comfortable position, eyes closed, just listening to my voice. If you decide that you want to stay seated, that's fine, just stay seated, but I'm inviting you now to just close your eyes, and we're going to focus on our breathing. So you're inhaling through the nose, and then you're going to exhale, a nice slow exhale through the mouth. So inhaling again, and then a nice slow exhale through the mouth. So if you're lying down, I'd like you to wriggle your toes and then relax them. Move your legs a little bit and then relax. Tense your glute muscles and then relax into the mat or whatever you're lying down on. It might be your carpet. Tense your shoulders and back a tiny bit and then relax. And then gently move the head from side to side and then relax. For those of you who are seated, just focus on really relaxing your body, still keeping quite an upright position, and just really trying to now focus on your breathing. So you're just going to focus on your breathing, inhaling through the nose, exhaling nice and gently through the mouth. To go into our meditation, what I'd like you to do, everybody, is to just focus on a picture that you have in your mind. So somewhere in nature is ideal. So you could imagine, for example, a nice clear blue sky with just a few clouds, not too much detail in your picture. And you might be lying somewhere. It might be by a river. It might be, by a beach that you you like, whatever it is that you enjoy in nature, but just making that your picture that you're imagining is quite blank. Whenever you feel your thoughts drifting or thinking something else, acknowledge the thought. Just let the thoughts pass by and then refocus on your blank picture and also on your breathing. So what we're going to do now is we're all going to meditate together, so in silence, and we're just going to go for a minute. So I'm going to be timing. When it's time for us to come out of the meditation, remember this is a really short one, then I will let you know. So I'm just going to be talking just now and again throughout the meditation. So really focusing on relaxing, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Anytime you feel your thoughts drifting, go back to your breathing and just letting your body melt into the mat or melt into the seat if you're sitting up. So going for 30 more seconds, just really relaxing, moving the neck if you need to. Just sitting up, focusing on your breathing. So now we're going to come out of the short guided meditation. And what you're doing, if you're lying down, which is ideal, if you're sitting up, that's fine. You're just going to keep your eyes closed. For those lying down, you're going to wriggle your toes. You're going to wriggle your legs slightly. Tense the glutes a little bit. Tense the shoulders and the back. Move the head from side to side. And then for those who are lying down, you're just going to slowly turn to your side, whichever side is comfortable, your dominant side. And then slowly coming to a seated position at your own pace. For those who are seated, just slowly opening your eyes and just coming back into the video. So guys, that is a really short guided meditation, a little bit of a taster of what you can do during your day just to relax. Of course, you can add things like music in the background. You can use essential oils. Let's say you can put essential oil on your wrist or in your palm and then smell the essential oil. So you might use something like lavender. And you can have a little timer that you take with you. Even if you're at work, if you're at home, it might be a 3-minute timer. So for myself, when I don't have time, I'll do 3 minutes and I'll put a timer and then I'll just sit there and I'll just let my mind empty itself. And it takes practice. So the more you do it, the more you get better at doing that. And you find that you're more energized, you're less stressed, you're less likely to get burnt out, and you're connecting with yourself daily as well. Because sometimes we're so busy that we don't even get to check in on how we are feeling. How am I feeling? How am I going today? We don't even do that. So that is a simple way that you can do it. I would love to hear any feedback on that really short taster meditation video. So if you've got any comments, please feel free to let loose and tell me what you think. And then we can continue doing meditation over the weeks as we go. But otherwise, I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. Make sure you take time out for yourself, and I will see you after the weekend. Bye, everyone.